let's look at our problem of the day. It says blank is blank groups of 10 and some left over. Well, let's go ahead and we're going to circle the groups of 10. So here we have 5, 10, 5, 10. So we can see that there is 10, 20, 21, 22. So 22 is blank groups of 10. Well, how many groups of 10 are there over here? 1, 2. So 2 groups of 10 and 2 left over. We'll be working on that more today. Our learning target says, I can read, write, and show 2-digit numbers as groups of 10 and leftover ones. Okay, circle groups of 10. Write the numbers. Let's go ahead and we're going to circle the groups of 10. So we have 1 group, 2 groups, and we have some left over here because these aren't enough to make 10 because I see 5, 6, 7. Well, we have to notice what it's asking for us to do right here. It says blank is blank groups of 10 and blank left over. Okay, well, they want the total first. The reason why I can tell they want the total first is because then it says is, and is like equal to. So we have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Now it wants us to tell them the number of groups of 10. Well, how many groups of 10 are there? 2 groups of 10. And blank left over. Well, how many are left over here? 7 are left over. Okay, let's try this one. Blank is blank groups of 10 and blank left over. So again, we notice that they want the total first. So then it says is. Well, let's circle the groups of 10. Again, we notice that they're in groups of 5 here. So every 2 5s will be a 10. 10, 20, 30. Oh, but there's not enough here. We're missing 1. Okay, well, let's go ahead and count this. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Now we can say that as blank groups of 10. Well, how many groups of 10 do you see? There's 3 groups of 10 and some left over. How many are left over? Well, there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 left over. Okay, let's do this bottom one here. Again, we need to circle the groups of 10 first. So there's a group of 10. Here's another group, and another group. So we circled all the groups of 10. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. I'm putting 43 first because it says 43 is, and then it's asking for the groups of 10. How many groups of 10 are there? 4 groups of 10. How many left over? 3. This is what your worksheet's going to look like today. So similar to what we've done before, in the sense of I can read, write, and show 2-digit numbers as groups of 10 and leftover ones. But again, notice that they want the total first. So when it says write the number, we're going to find that total first. Okay, so circle the groups of 10. I'm going to circle the groups of 10 for us here for this first one. You can copy this at home. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So we know that's 28. Now you need to fill in the groups of 10 and the leftover. So you'll count how many groups of 10 there are. That goes here. And then you count the leftover ones. That goes there. You'll do the same thing for the next 3. Notice that these are already a 10. So when you circle these, you just circle 1 because this is already a 10. It's the 10 rod we've been looking at. These are different because these are just single cubes. Then on the bottom here, it says 93 is blank groups of 10 and blank left over. Using your knowledge up here, 93 is how many groups of 10? Well, 90 is 9 groups. Well, then how many are left over? What number is in our ones place? A 3, so 3 is left over. Okay, good luck on your worksheet.